Welcome, I'm Losing You.
I've got the feeling there's no concealing just what it is that's on my mind. I know that I'm losing you. There's no pretending there's a happy ending. This story's closing and there's nothing more. Can it be I've lost you? No use me staying, no use me saying or begging you to change. I know that I've lost you. My heart is breaking, the time is taking our love away. I see it fade, and with it my happiness. I can't believe it, I won't believe it. I won't accept your love is gone just when now more than ever I need you. I need your love. I'm losing the love that I knew. Losing the love that I knew. I'm losing